Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today we are discuss about a network error. Error code is 0x800704f8. This type of problem actually show in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This type of error code indicates that you cannot access the shared folder because your organization security policies block unauthenticated guest access. This problem typically occurs in Windows 10 and Windows 11. To resolve the issue, we will use two Windows tools, gpedit.msc and local security policy. So let's start. But friends, remember in Windows 11 Home and Home Basic version, gpedit.msc tool will not working. You have to enable the features. I have already explained in my previous video how can you enable gpedit. I shall give the link of the video in description box. Now press Windows button and R together on keyboard. A run box will appear. Write gpedit.msc and click OK. Select administrative templates and double click, then select network and double click. From here you select landman workstation and double click. Here there is option enable insecure guest logons. Double click that and select enable option and apply OK and close the gpedit policy. Now write local security policy on the search option. Local security policy. Here local security policy and open it as an administrator. So you click the run as administrator. It is our local security policy. After opening local security policy, select the local policy here and double click the local policy and select security option and double click the security option. After select security option, you have to find from the right pane Microsoft Network Client digitally signed communication always. And right click that, select properties and make sure it must disabled. After that, there is also another option Microsoft Network Client digitally signed communication if server agrees. Right click that and click properties and disable the option and apply OK. Now close the local security policy and restart the system. After restarting the system, your problem will be solved. Thank you viewers. Please subscribe my channel and click the like button. Thank you.